Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 2nd, 2018, and I'm here with some sage plants. I wanted to give you an update on my sage seedlings. I did lose them. I lost them to Bortress blight. I didn't see that they weren't getting enough airflow, and I completely lost them. So I wanted to show you my sage plants that I do have. These are planted out in the garden. And I'm in zone 5. Sometimes we hit zone 4 temperatures, and these have actually reseeded themselves greatly. It started out with just one plant, and it grew into all these from the seeds dropping. So I definitely call this a perennial. I am in Pennsylvania, and it has come back for me every year. You can see what the blooms look like. These are supposed to draw your pollinators in, and we're really down on our pollinators this year. The plants are pretty much, well, they're empty, and they shouldn't be. They should be full of our pollinators. There's one butterfly, which you can't see, but I just wanted to show you what the sage plants look like here. And I do have to weed in around them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.